Hello students, welcome to Academic Aura. Today we will begin with chapter 3 HCF and LCM for standard 7. Okay, now see the first practice set, practice set 10. Question number 1 is, which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? Okay, which number is neither prime nor composite? First understand what is a prime number and what is a composite number. Now, prime numbers are those numbers which do not go in any table except the 1 and the number itself. They only go in 1 and the number itself. Okay, see, I'll just explain. Prime numbers, they suppose if I take 5, okay, 5 is a prime number. It only goes in 1 5s are and 5 1s are. 7 1s are, okay, 1 7s are and 7 1s are. So they are only going divisible in 1 and the number itself. So understood, the factors of 7 are just 1 and 7. So that's why they are called prime numbers. Example, you can also take 23. 23 is not divisible by any number, only 1 and 23. Now see this number 1 over here. They have 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. I'll just explain why first. Because 1 1s are only 1 1s are 1. It is only going in 1. Understood? So it's the same number you are getting over here. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite. Composite is what? You get many factors like 6. 6 is divisible 1, 2, 3 and 6. So see, there are many factors over here. Understood? That means 6 is a composite number. 8, 18. If I take 18 over here, 1, 2, 3, 6 and 18. Understood? So you can see other than 1 and 18, there is 2, 3, 6 also. These numbers are also divisible by 18. So therefore 18 is a composite number. Understood? So that means 1, which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? 1 is neither okay. So see here, in the other prime numbers, if we see, there is 1 and another factor, okay, that is the number itself. But for 1, there is only here 1. There is no other factor over here. Understood? So it is not a prime number also. And see, for composite, we cannot say it is a composite number. It has no other factors other than 1. So that means it is not a composite number. Understood the first one? Now see the next one. Which of the following are the pair of coprimes? Okay, first one is, see, the first one is 8 and 14. 8 and 14, now see, I'm just showing you the explanation what are coprimes. Suppose 8 and 14. What are the factors of 8? What are the factors of 8? Factors means which numbers are divisible by 8? 1, okay. Then 2. 2 is also divisible by 8. 2 4s are 8. Can you take 3? No, 3 is not divisible. 4, yes, 4 2s are is 8. 4 is divisible. 4, 6, no, 7, no, and direct 8. These numbers are divisible by 8. Next number is 14. Okay, so let's write the divisors of 14. 1, 2 is divisible. 3, 4, 5 is not divisible. Then 6, 7. 6 is not divisible, but 7 2s are 14 we get. And the number itself 14. After doing that, see what are the common factors here. Okay, what are the common factors? 1 and 2. Okay, we have two common factors here. 1 and 2 are the common factors, right? So when you get when it is a coprime, when you get only 1 as the common factor, when only 1 is a common factor, then they are coprime numbers. Now we didn't get only 1, we have got 2 also. Okay, we have got 2 numbers over here, 1 and 2. 2 numbers are the common factors here. That means they are not coprime numbers. So what we will write for the explanation, we will say that first you can directly write that 8 and 14 are not coprime numbers. Okay, they are not coprime numbers. If we would get only one common factor, one would be our common factor, then only they would be coprime numbers. But we have got two factors common. Understood? 1 and 2. That's so therefore, as you can give a reason, as the common factors are 1 and 2. Understood? Now see the next one, 4 and 5. Again, same way we will do it for 4 and 5 also. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Okay, 4 is divisible by 1. 2 2s are we get 4. So 2 and 4. And 5. 5 is a prime number. It doesn't go in any table. 1 and the number itself. Okay, after doing that, what do we see? We see the common factors. What is a common factor? 1. Only 1 is the common factor. I told you, whenever only 1 is the common factor of two numbers, that means those two numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay, so common factor, CF, I'm just writing it in short form. CF, common factor is 1. When the common factor is 1, they are co-prime numbers. Understood? So that means we will write here the numbers 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers, as their common factor is 1, as their common factor or divisor. Factor or divisor means the same. Okay, as their common factor is 1. Okay, so when you have a common factor 1, then they are co-prime. If you have more than one number, okay, two common factors we have, that means they are not co-prime numbers. Okay, now see the next one, 17 and 19. In 17 and 19, same way, 17 and 19, see, 17 and 19. Factors of 17, 17 is a prime number, 19 is also a prime number. Both only go in 1 and the number itself. Same, 19 also in 1 and the number itself, that is 19. That means what is our common factor? CF, common factor. 1 is only the common factor. And when the number 1, only this 1 is the common factor, that means it is a co-prime number. Understood? When only 1 you get as the common factor, that means it is a co-prime number. So what we will say over here is 17 and 19. The numbers 17 and 19 are co-prime numbers, as their common divisor or factor, you say it is 1 only. Common divisor is only 1. Understood? The third one. So when you get only one as the common divisor, they are co-prime numbers. Next is 27 and 15. Check 27 and 15 now. 27 and 15. What are the factors for 27? What are the divisors? Which numbers are divisible? 1, 2. 2 doesn't go. Okay, 2 is not divisible. 3. 3 is divisible. 3 9s is 27. So 3 is divisible. 4. 4 doesn't go. 5 doesn't go. 6 is not divisible. 7 is not divisible. 8 is not divisible. 9 will go. 9 3s are 27. 9 is divisible. Understood? And 27 itself. So these numbers are divisible by 27. Next we will take 15. 1 will go. Then 2 doesn't go. 2 is not divisible. 3 is divisible. 4 is not divisible. 5 is divisible. 5 3s are 15. And the number itself. Now see the common factors here. What are the common factors here? 1 and 3. So our common factor is not 1. We have another factor common. 1 and 3. Okay. 1 and 3 are the common factors. That means this is not a co-prime number. That means these numbers 27 and 15, we will say the numbers 27 and 15 are not co-prime numbers. Okay, as their common divisors are 1 and 3 also. Now see in the third one, list the prime numbers from 25 to 100. Okay, we have to list all the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and we have to say how many are they. Now first of all, prime numbers, I told you, they do not go, they only the divisors of prime numbers are only 1 and the number itself, like I explained earlier. See here, 5 is a prime number. What are the factors are of 5? 1 and 5, the number itself. Same way, factors of 7, 1 and 7. 23, 1 and 23 means they do not have any other factors other than 1 and the number itself. So such numbers are said to be prime numbers. Understood what are the prime numbers? Now we don't want those small ones, we just want from 25 to 100. Okay, now see, 25 is divisible in 5 times table, so it is a composite number. 26 also is divisible. 27 also is divisible. 28, 29. Okay, so the first one is 29. Then 30 is divisible by 2, 3. So 31, next number is 31. 31 is not divisible, only in 1 and the number itself. Understood? Then 32, 33, 34 also is divisible. 35 is divisible in 5 and 7. 36 is divisible in 6. 37 is not divisible. Okay, it's a prime number only in 1 and 37. Then we have 37. After 37, 38, 39, 40. These numbers are divisible. 40. And then 41. 41 is also not divisible. So 41. 42 is divisible. Okay, 6 7s are 42. 7 6 are 42. So it is divisible. After 42, we have 43. 43 also is a prime number. 44, 45 are divisible. 46 is also divisible. 47 is not divisible. 47. Now 48, 49, 50. Okay, 48 is divisible. 49, 50 is also divisible. 51 is also divisible. Okay, 51 is divisible in 3 and 17 also. 51 is divisible. Then again 52 is also divisible. Last number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 means they are divisible by 2. Okay, 52 is divisible. After that 53 you can take. Okay, so 53 is a prime number. Then after 53, 54, 55, 56, last number 6, that means it is divisible by 2. 56, 57 also is divisible in by 3. 57, 58 is divisible. 59 is not divisible. Understood? 59 is not divisible. Then 60 is divisible. Yes. 61 is not divisible. 61 is a prime number. After that 62, 63. Okay, 63 is also divisible by 3. 64 is divisible by 8. 65 is divisible by 5. 66 is also divisible. Then we have 67. Okay, 67. Then 68, 69, 70 are divisible. Next number is not divisible is 71. 72 is divisible. 73 is not divisible. Then 73, 74 is divisible. 75, 76, 77, 78. Then we have the next number 79. 80, 81. 80 is divisible. 81 is also divisible by 9. 81. Then we have 82 is divisible. Then 83 is not divisible. Understood? 83, 84, 85 is divisible. 86 is divisible. 87 is divisible. Then 89 is not divisible. 89 and 90, 91, 92, 93 is divisible. 94, 95, 96, these are divisible. Okay, and then 97, and then we have, you can write and 97. So that's it. Up to 100 we have so many numbers. Are the prime numbers are the, you can write, are the prime numbers from 25 to 100. Okay, now after writing that we should count how many are they. So let's count how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So how many are there? There are 16 prime numbers. There are 16 prime numbers from 25 to 100. Understood? Question number 3. Now see, write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Now you understood what is prime. Prime numbers are what? They are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. There are no other divisors for that number. Okay, so such numbers are called prime numbers. Now twin prime numbers, the difference between them is 2. I'll just tell you from here. Now see here. Write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Now see this same thing, 29 and then 31, right? These are all prime numbers only, but we have to check which are twin prime over here. Twin prime 29, 30, 31. Okay, 29, then 30, 31. That means the difference is 2. That means 29 and 31 are twin prime numbers. Understood? Then you cannot say that 37 and 41. Why? See the difference between that. After 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So you cannot say that they are twin prime numbers. The difference should be only 2. Okay, but we don't want 29 and 31 as they have told us only 51 to 100. So let's check after 50. After 50, check this number 53 and 59. Can we call it as twin prime numbers? 53, 59. They are prime numbers, but we cannot call it twin prime because see there is a difference. After 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Such a big difference is there. So we cannot say that they are twin primes. But 59 and 61. See after 59, 60, 61. Difference of 2 is there, right? So 59 and 61 is the first pair of twin prime numbers. So here we will write 59 and 61. Understood? 59 and 61 we got twin prime number. Another one. After that we will just check. See 61 and 67 there is a huge difference. 67, 71, 73. Yes, 71, 73 can be called as twin prime. After 71, 72 and 73. Difference of 2 is there, okay, between the prime numbers. Then only it is a twin prime number. That means 71 and 73. 71 and 73. Up to 100. Let's check up to 100. 73 to 79. Now 71, 73 we said it is there. 73 to 79. No. See there is a difference. 79 to 83 also there is a difference. 83 to 89. 83, 84, 85, 86, 18. So much of difference is there. 89 to 97. Such a big difference. So these numbers cannot be called as twin prime. Understood? So to be a twin prime number, okay, to be a pair of twin prime numbers, you have to have a difference of 2 between the prime numbers. Understood? So 59 and 61 and 71 and 73. Understood? Are, you can write are twin prime numbers between 25 to 100. Understood? This one? Okay. Now see the last question over here. The last question is, which are the even prime numbers? Okay. Which are the even prime numbers? Even prime number we have only 2. Okay. Even prime number is only 2. 2 is the only even prime number. It is an even number also. Understood? See in the unit space, see whenever we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these numbers are called even numbers. In the units place, whenever we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are called even numbers. Okay. And prime numbers, you know what are prime numbers? Prime number they are divisible by 1 and the number itself. So the only number that is even prime is 2. So we can say 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, this question can also come as a fill in the blank. Dash is the only even prime number 2. And even the first question can come. Dash is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Understood? In this practice at HCF and LCM, what are we finished? What are pair of co-prime numbers? Okay, what did I tell you for co-prime numbers? The common factor should be 1. When the common factor is 1, only 1, that means they are co-prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers are, what are prime numbers? I told you prime numbers are those numbers whose common divisors are only 1 and the number itself. And twin primes, okay, twin primes means the difference between the prime numbers have to be 2, just as 59 and 61, 59, 60, 61. The difference is 2. And then the even prime number 2 is the only even prime number. Understood? So we have finished practice set 10. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.